Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on crypto.com. So the crypto.com has released a new feature that allows user to buy stocks on crypto.com app. Now to get this feature, you need to be USA, UK or Canadian citizen to allow to use this feature. As of now, this feature is not also available for me. So I will just only guide you through the steps that you can use to buy stocks. So first thing you need to do is go to the stocks tab. It is so once you open up your crypto.com app, the stocks tab will be listed in this top area, right like right next to NFT or crypto option. So you just have to click on it. Then you need to follow the instruction on screen instruction to create a stock account. And once you do that, you will be notified when you are ready to start trading. And once you have approved and you can start trading. So to buy stocks, you need to go to the stock screen by clicking on the stocks option from the top bar, and then you need to tap on the stock or ETF that you want to purchase, and then you have to click on simply buy button. After that, you need to select the payment method and then input the purchase amount, how much you want to invest in your stock, and then you need to review the order details, and once you are ready, you need to tap confirm and verify the transaction. So that is how you can buy stocks on your crypto.com app. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.